Hey guys, welcome to our channel CAD Solution. Today we will learn about Creo part modeling exercise number 2. So let's get started. Go to the new, select part, solid. You can give any name EX underscore 02. Okay, so here are our planes. So let's start with this L shape. I have height of 60 mm and width of 66. I'll create a L shape with the thickness 12 mm. Take front plane, extrude, sketch view. I'll simply draw L shape here. That's it. I will edit the dimensions. $60 and here 66. Okay, extrude by 42 mm. I want symmetric along the plane. Okay, and this round and chamfers, round of 21 mm and chamfer of 12 mm. I'll select round, this corner, press Ctrl, this corner, input 21 mm, go to chamfer, select this corner, control this corner. I need 45 into dimension, so dimension will be 12 mm. Okay, so now this center rib of 12 mm thickness and the starting point is at a height 42 mm and it is exactly matching as this point. So go to the rib command and the drop down arrow, select profile rib, select front plane, sketch view, go through the references. I'll select this face and this plane because I need to take the reference of both. Select line command, draw a line, give a height of 42 from this face, 42 mm. That's it. Click OK. And I want 12 mm thickness, so I'll add 12 here. So our model is now created. You can orient the model as per your requirement. I'll turn off all the planes to visualize it, whether it is properly created or not. If you want to download Creo software and need more drawings for the practice, you can join our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching.